You want to start investing with Finhabits, but what happens to the money you deposit? Well, let's take a look. Finhabits invests your money in portfolios built to help you optimize your return while minimizing your risk of loss. Each Finhabits portfolio is made up of 6 different asset classes, which in turn contain different exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. An ETF is traded in the US stock market, and it's a collection of stocks, bonds, and other securities. In other words, when you invest in Finhabits, you invest in some of the world's largest companies like Amazon, Disney, or Google. But how can Finhabits let you invest $5 a week when one share costs more? Thanks to a technology called fractional share investing, Finhabits allows you to invest small amounts in a well-diversified portfolio. Let's see an example. When you invest $100 in Finhabits, your money will be invested in a mix of asset classes. It's like putting your money in multiple baskets. As you continue making deposits, Finhabits will adjust your investments to keep your portfolio in optimal balance. Finhabits handles all of this, so you don't have to worry about it and you can stay focused in your life. It's a smart habit made easy.